Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking, is there a physical presence requirement associated with Thai retirement visas? I thought of making this video after watching a recent video by my friend and colleague, Mr. Andrew Esquire, on his channel, Go East Gentlemen, where he's talking to folks that are back in the West, presumably younger guys, it seems like, who are back in the West, and they're kind of reviewing their options. And, you know, East can be, in my opinion, a really viable option for many folks in the West, be it the United States, Western Europe, wherever. And I think it's something that maybe they don't look at quite as often as perhaps they otherwise should. Meanwhile, though, he also discusses things in the context of older retirees, which brought this video that I'll go ahead and put in the description below, brought that to my attention, which is the MM2H program, Malaysia My Second Home, which is something we've discussed a little bit on this channel, kind of tangential to what we often discuss, mostly with regard to Thai immigration, but we also discuss some things related to greater Southeast Asian immigration systems. If it kind of pops up on my radar, if it's pertinent to the Association of Southeast Asian Nation Countries, I may go ahead and do a video on it. It just kind of depends. We are kind of Thailand specific on this channel. But the reason for this video is he made a video regarding Malaysia My Second Home program. And he brought up something that I wasn't even aware of, which is the Malaysia My Second Home, or MM2H program, requires a 90-day physical presence in that jurisdiction every calendar year. And I was not aware of that. I did not know that was a requirement, probably because I haven't been to Malaysia in probably a decade. So, you know, it's not something that's really on my radar. But then it got me thinking, you know, it's probably worth a video because people are out there saying, well, you know, what if I want to get a retirement visa? MM2H might be a good program for certain people, but they may be comparing it to the Thai system, the Thai retirement visa system, the standard O or OA retirement visa, or the Thailand Elite program, for example. And folks may be looking at that and sort of saying to themselves, well, you know, I mean, is there a physical presence requirement like there is with MM2H? Short answer to that question is no, there is not a 90-day requirement in Thailand. Now, you could argue there is a physical presence requirement insofar as if you're maintaining your retirement visa status via extension, then yeah, you're going to have to show up once a year to file for the extension and go ahead and see that extension issue. Now, unlike Thai business visas, where we often see a review period for as long as a month, sometimes even longer depending on circumstances, the retirement visa, usually the review period doesn't last nearly that long. Oftentimes, especially with renewals, it can usually be done same day, again, at the discretion of the given immigration officer. But the thing to take away from this video is, yeah, the retirement visa can be a viable option, but no, you're not going to be required to remain in Thailand a minimum of 90 days each calendar year.